in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test your battery health on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the system launcher and type in settings. Best result, you go back with settings, open that up, scroll down on the left panel until you get to about ChromeOS. And then on the right side, select where it says diagnostics, test your battery, CPU, memory, connectivity, and more. And then you want to go and select the item that says system at the top. And if you had any batteries connected, so I'm actually on a desktop here, that's why it's not showing it. But if you were on a laptop, it should have your battery settings here. And you can see how it's being performed. You can run a battery test too. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.